Emma, I think I am a scientist now. I put a seed in the ground yesterday, and I have been staring at it for 24 hours.
24 hours? Alex, you need to sleep. And more importantly, nature takes time.
But I want a tree now. Why is nature so slow? I need to understand how this works so I can make it go faster.
You cannot rush science, Alex, but you can learn the language of science. Today, we are doing a deep dive into nature, space, and life cycles.
Okay, fine. If I can't grow a tree instantly, at least I can grow my vocabulary. Let's do this.
In science, we deal with general truths. These are things that do not change.
Like gravity? Or the fact that pizza is delicious?
Exactly. Because they are always true, we strictly use the present simple tense. We say the earth spins, not the earth is spinning.
Wait, why not is spinning? It is doing it right now, isn't it?
It is, but is spinning sounds temporary. When we talk about scientific laws, we want it to sound permanent. Water boils at 100 degrees.
Ah, I see. So it is a law. Water boils. Earth spins, sun burns.
The biggest challenge here is the S at the end of the verb. In science, we often talk about one thing, one sun, one moon, one plant.
So the plant grow is wrong.
Very wrong. It is the plant grows third person singular.
Okay, the plant grows. The moon shines. What if I have two plants?
Then the S disappears. The plants grow.
Science is tricky. One plant grows, two plants grow. I need to write this down.
Let's upgrade your vocabulary. Instead of goes around, scientists use the word orbit.
ORBIT. The moon orbits the earth. That sounds much smarter.
Here's another one. Instead of bounces off, we say reflect. The moon reflects the sun's light.
Reflect. Like looking in a mirror.
Exactly, and for plants, instead of drinks water, we say absorb. The roots absorb water.
Absorb. Orbit. Reflect. I feel like a professor already.
Now, let's look at processes. When describing a life cycle, order matters. We use first, then, after that, and finally.
I love these words. It keeps things organized. First, I wake up. Then, I eat.
Right? But for a butterfly, it is. First, the egg hatches. Then, it becomes a caterpillar.
And then it goes to sleep in a sleeping bag?
It is called a chrysalis or a cocoon. After that, it emerges as a butterfly.
Emerges. That is a great word. It sounds very dramatic.
Let's look at the sky. We have patterns there too. We call them phases.
Like phases of the moon? Sometimes it looks like a banana.
Yes, we call that a crescent moon. And when it is big and round?
That is a full moon. Werewolves love that one.
True. Also remember that stars twinkle but planets shine steadily. That is how you tell the difference.
Wait, really? Stars twinkle, planets shine? I never knew that.
Now, animals. Animals have traits. These are special characteristics. For example, a chameleon changes color.
That is the best trait. I wish I could change color when I am embarrassed.
That would be useful. Another term is hibernation. Some animals sleep all winter.
Bears do that. They hibernate. They skip the cold part of the year. Smart animals.
Exactly. Bears hibernate. Subject plus verb. Simple and scientific. Let's fix some errors I hear all the time. Alex, correct this sentence. The sun is hot and have bright light.
Okay, the sun is hot sounds fine, but have bright light. The sun is one thing, so the sun has bright light.
Perfect. Mistake number 2, the light travel fast.
Light is one thing, so the light travels fast. It needs the S.
You are getting it. Mistake number 3, the season change every month.
The season changes with an S. Okay, let's practice. We are at a science museum. I am looking at the dinosaur exhibit.
Look at the size of that skeleton, Alex. It is a T-Rex.
It is huge. Did it eat plants?
No, look at the teeth. Sharp teeth usually mean it eats meat. It is a carnivore.
Right. Carnivore eats meat. Herbivore eats plants. I remember that from school.
Now walk over here to the physics section. Press this button.
Whoa, the ball is floating in the air. How does it float?
It uses magnets. Magnets repel each other if they have the same pole.
Repel, that means push away.
Yes. First, the magnet pushes up. Then, gravity pushes down. Finally, the ball stays in the middle.
That is amazing. Science is basically magic, but with rules.
You survived the science lesson, Alex. How does your brain feel?
My brain feels huge. It is absorbing knowledge like a plant absorbs water.
Excellent usage of the vocabulary. Remember, everyone, use the present simple for facts and sequence words for cycles.
If you want to be smart like me, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. What is your favorite planet?
We will see you in the next episode. Keep exploring.
Bye, scientists.